Blogging success could mean different things to different people. For some, it may mean simply writing and publishing a blog post regularly. Others may aim to grow their blog following or generate income through their blog. Regardless of what blogging success looks like to you, here are a few tips to help you achieve it. Define your goals and audience. Before you start blogging, it's important to know what you want to achieve and who you want to reach with your content. Once you have a clear understanding of your goals and target audience, you can create content that is tailored to them and more likely to resonate. Be consistent. One of the keys to successful blogging is consistency. If you want people to keep coming back for more, make sure to publish new content on a regular basis. This doesn't mean that you need to post every day, but find a schedule that works for you and stick to it as much as possible. Promote your content. It's not enough just to write great content. You also need to get involved in the conversation about it. This could include tweeting about your most recent article, talking at an event or presentation, and monitoring feedback from others on social media. Remember, the more you get involved in communicating with others online, the more people will ask to be connected with you, giving you more potential customers. Thank you for watching.